Meaning of goatee.
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 Goatee. A goatee is a type of facial hairstyle that involves a small pointed beard on the chin. The name comes from the tuft of hair found on the chin of a male goat. Goatees can be worn in various lengths and styles, including a connected mustache or a soul patch. They have been a popular fashion trend for centuries, with famous wearers including Abraham Lincoln and Johnny Depp. While some find goatees stylish and elegant, others see them as outdated or unattractive. Ultimately, the decision to wear a goatee or not is a matter of personal preference.